guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make orange honey glazed chicken. So quick story about this recipe. Last week I was trying to put together something for my family. I just wanted to use whatever I had available in my pantry and I came up with this recipe. It was so good, I just couldn't wait to share with you. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to start by marinating some chicken. I'm using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Make sure your chicken is very well cleaned and dried. First, I'm adding some finely chopped garlic and ginger into my chicken. I'm also adding some dried oregano. I have some brown sugar going in as well as red pepper flakes. Go ahead and season with a generous amount of salt and black pepper. Then we're going to add some olive oil. Toss everything together very well. Make sure the marinade gets on every single piece of chicken. Then we're going to cover this with a saran wrap and let it sit in the fridge and marinate for at least 2 hours. If you have time, you can even let this marinate overnight. That way the chicken can really soak in all those delicious flavors. Once the chicken has had time to marinate, we're going to sear them. So in a hot skillet over medium heat, go ahead and heat up some olive oil. Once the oil gets really hot, you're going to grab your marinated chicken and place them into the pan. Sear your chicken skin side down, 3 minutes on each side. Searing the chicken packs them with a lot of flavor and they also develop a nice golden brown color just like that. That looks so good. Once your chicken is done searing and they all have nice colors on both sides, just like that, you're going to drain off all the excess oil because we don't need to consume all that. Once you drain off all the oil, go ahead and toss some sliced onions in with your chicken. Then cook the onions for about 2 minutes until they turn translucent, and the flavor of the onions cooking with the chicken, oh my goodness, smells so good. Once the onions have cooked, we're going to add in some chicken broth. We're also adding in some orange juice, and in order to get that intense orange flavor, we're going to add in the zest of a whole orange. The orange packs the chicken with just the right amount of flavor. It is really good. Once you have all the orange zest in, you're going to start mixing the zest in with the sauce. You also want to baste the chicken with the sauce as well because that will keep the chicken nice and juicy. Next, you're going to pop the lid on and let the chicken cook for about 20 minutes on medium heat until they're fully cooked through. And make sure you baste your chicken halfway through to keep them, nice and juicy. Once the chicken has cooked for exactly 20 minutes, you're going to pour some honey all over your chicken. Then we're going to start glazing the chicken. So go ahead and turn your heat all the way to high and let the sauce cook and thicken for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you glaze the chicken periodically as the sauce thickens. And the sauce will go through some color changes, then it'll caramelize and develop a golden brown color just like this. I garnished with orange wedges and parsley. It came out so good, packed with flavor. You guys will love this. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. When you try this recipe, send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creation. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.